Hi, I'm Sakvi and I'm CEO of BKwai. Structural failure in core infrastructure is unsafe, uneconomical, and unacceptable. You may remember just last summer, the Morandi Bridge in Italy suddenly collapsed. That cost the local Italian economy 422 million euros, and it cost 43 people their lives. In the UK alone, there are over 3,000 local bridges classified as substandard, and still, we only check on those once every few years. The benefits of preventative maintenance are well understood. In the past decade, millions have poured into other sectors like equipment performance, financial budgeting, national security, and even personal health in the aim of preventative maintenance. That in turn has created billions in value. And yet, when it comes to our roads, our bridges, our tunnels, the core infrastructure on which our society runs on, we have resigned ourselves to two guys and a clipboard. We at BKwai are committed to radically improving infrastructure asset management. Our software platform takes dozens of structural parameters from on-site sensors like strain, temperature, displacement, and combines that with next-generation satellite imagery to provide engineers with fundamental asset safety information that they've never had before. This allows us to spot the warning signs before they become tragedies like Morandi, and takes asset monitoring from years down to minutes. I'm intimately familiar with this problem because I'm a chartered civil engineer. I've spent the last decade designing, constructing, and maintaining structural assets all over the world. I'm intimately familiar with this solution because I've used satellite radar imagery to monitor millimeter-scale movements of structures from space during my PhD at the University of Cambridge. I'm intimately familiar with this opportunity because I have been appointed onto a panel of the National Infrastructure Commission, shaping the future of UK investment into infrastructure for the government. My co-founder, Niv, well, he has 16 years of experience as a software engineer and a technical team manager. This is his second time as a co-founder, having served as CTO for a counter-drone and radar startup, and he has also worked in an elite intelligence unit of the Israeli army and managed teams in global corporations. So for us, the big opportunity here is asset monitoring and maintenance. But all infrastructure begins and is impacted by what happens on a construction site. And that's where we've made great progress. We are currently working on site with Thames Tideway, London's new £4.2 billion super sewer. We're delivering a pilot that takes in data from thousands of sensors and leveling points. Next month, we kick off our second pilot with East West Rail. And on our waitlist, we have 6 Tier 1 construction companies and asset owners looking to license BKwai software to save them millions. The era of reactive maintenance for infrastructure is over. We are BKwai, and we are preventing catastrophic collapse in the construction industry using sensors, satellites, and science. If you want to find out a bit more, or I've just made you a little bit more nervous about driving over bridges, come and talk to us.